The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, good morning. So this is Suman. So the session start in 5 minutes. So please wait. So hello everyone, good morning. So I hope you are doing great. So so can you hear my voice? Yeah, got it. So yesterday we have discussed in Python we discussed like oops, right? Like classes and object and inheritance. Great. So today we are going to discuss decorators in Python. Okay. decorators and data classes, like how it works and what is decorator and what is data classes. Okay, so we use decorators and we will use this data classes and everything. We'll discuss like theory and uh, some coding part. Okay, so first thing, so like decorator is also one function. So decorator is a function that takes an another function and extends its behavior with explicitly modifying it. Okay, so like decorator is also a function. Okay, so it adds some extra. Okay, it adds some extra function. So that is known as wrapper function. So it adds some extra function, and it will decorate another function. Okay, so that is called decorator. Okay, got it right. So decorator is also one function. So when like we can write like def using def keyword and function name. So everything like function only. So we can write. Can you visible my screen? This I'm not open it. So I will open. Okay. So I will open my notepad. So okay. So like decorator is a function that takes another function. Okay, and extends like its behavior without explicitly modifying it. Okay, so this is known as decorator. Okay, got it right. So it is has same like function. Some it adds some another function. So this is that one known as a wrapper function. Okay, so it will add extra feature like it will decorate it. It will decorate the code and the function. Okay, so I will show in the code how it works. So the simple syntax decorator like I will show here. Same like we can use like C decorator or decorator name. So this is syntax. Okay. So this is syntax for decorator. Okay. So when we see in the code like at the rate symbol and some other decorator name, so definitely this is a decorator. So we see so here. So this is a syntax, right? So inside the syntax we can write like a function body. Okay, so here we can write. So after this we can write like some declare one function like some decorator and our function name. Okay, like so like this we can declare. So like this. Okay, so first thing, so where we use these decorators, right? So these common use for decorators are like we can use, for example, about like fast API. So fast API is in a backend. So it's fast API is in a backend. So we in fast API we have like authentication and authorization and logging and everything. So when we see here, so this is our URL, right? Okay. So this is on our website. So HTTP dashboard. Okay. So this is our website. So like so this is an user interface, right? So in backend we have some code. Okay. We need to like authorize this code. So using some we can use like we will use like fast API and RESTful API. So like that. Okay. So whatever which API we are using like so we are using like fast API. So we can use like authentication and authorization like that. Okay. So in authentication, it control access to a function based on user roles, okay, or permissions like that we can take in authentication and authorization. And in logging page, in backend or a user interface, so it automatically log function calls parameter and return some values using this decorator. Okay, so like will show. So I will show one code. So got it right. I think now what is decorator. So where we can use in like backend, like we can use like authentication and authorization and logging page. So like that we can use this decorator. When we see this other like at the rate symbol, so definitely this is a decorator. Okay. So I will open my VS Code editor. So this I will show a simple example of decorator. So decorator. So you know, right, like how to declare a function. So just using the def keyword, def, using def, and same function name. This I will write like simple decorator. Okay. So guys, don't use decorator name. So it is a keyword, right? We don't use. We can add some extra name further. So sure, I so here I created one function. So and also I write one more function inside this. So def. So I will call function name is wrapper function. Okay. Okay. So after that we need to print something, right? Something in normal function. So I will print what do you say? So before the function, I will write here before the function called or execution. Okay. So so after that, I will, okay. So this I will here pass one argument here. So that is not fun. This I will write here function. That is known as fun. So here I will return this function. Okay, return. This I want to return this function here. Okay, sorry. Uh, yeah, sorry. Which okay. So after this function, I will print something happened in after the function after the execution which we applied decorator. So I will show you. So here we show right after execution. So I will return this wrapper class, wrapper function. So after this, so here here we are applying decorator to this function. Okay, this wrapper function. So using at the rate symbol. So just I will write like so we can use this function name only here. So we can use here decorator, right? See. So we can see this decorator simple decorator. So here def like hello function name like hello. So print sorry. So just I will write here say hello print hey hello. So like this. So we need to call right this function. We need to call this function. So so when we run this button, so when we run this code, so we got an indentation error here. Okay. Say hello. Okay. But so this I will just So here, oh, okay. So here, like, so this I will write here. Will like John, I will give as John. So when I run this, so so we don't take any parameter here. So so wait, so we write like we declared one function here and we wrap this function. So see here, see here, after this execution, return and everything. Right. So the say function does not take in any argument here. Why? Because we didn't give any here. See, this I will remove this. And take So simple decorator, and after this one example like I. Okay. Print like hello. Okay, sorry. So the code. See here. Okay. See, in this code, we need to add some like. Okay. See, we need to use here like some in function. We need to use some arg functions here. So just I will show you that functions. So that's why I'm showing like it takes. So it's a type error. See here, it's showing like this type error. So here, like here, I need to show like attributary arguments in function. So like if you don't know how many arguments that will be passed into this function, so we can add like add a star here, star before the parameter name is in the function. It will add some star here. So that is a definition for this attribute argument. Okay. So if we pass this attribute argument, so it will run. So it will not show any type error. So like that. So I will write here. So in this wrapper function. So see here, like star args. Okay. So come on. And we have like attributary keywords arguments as well. So we need to add that one also. So we need to use like double star. So okay. So we need to pass here also this arguments. So here in this function, so here we are passing these arguments to the original function here. Here in this wrapper function, like sorry, wait. Like here in this wrapper function, it accepts any number of potential and keyword arguments here in this wrapper function. So we return and we say like this. So we did this. So it's showing same thing. Wait. So once we will copy this, use like definition and print before the function. So we did like function, okay. So it will editing is so print after the execution of this code. So here we read, okay. See, so when I run this, yeah, we got it. See here, simple say that. Okay. So here we can see here. So first, okay. So here in the console we can see. So first it will show before the execution function execution, right? So it will see first it will execute this before the function. After this, so it will go to like this decorator function. So it will execute this hello. Okay. So after that it will print. So it will return this wrapper function. After so it will decorate it. So it will decorate. It will decorate some. So it will decorate some this function to it. So and it will return some output here. So it will return so after the execution. So like this. So here first we are so this we take like one function and we take like one argument. So the function argument is expected to be a function that you want to like modify in this function. So after that, so after this, so the wrapper function acts as a proxy that adds a functionality before and after the execution of the original function here. So this function acts as a before and after the original function it acts. So before it will execute this print statement. After this, so it will goes to this decorator. So it will like print hello. So after that, it will print again. It will come to this wrapper function and it will print this after execution print statement. Okay. So like this, it will print. So we can see here. So like this, we can see. So before function execution and after, so it will print like hello after this function execution. So like this, it will print in decorators. We do like so like that we can use. Okay. Here this function, the simple decorator. So this is also decorator. Okay, so it will hit here. So this is a decorator. Got it right? The simple like the simple decorator here, and so decorator function modifies the say hello here. Like it modifies the hi here. Hi function. Okay, this simple function modifies the hi function here. So by wrapping with the additional code that runs before and after the original function. So here we can see before and after the original function. So here this code like defining a wrapper function inside the decorator, like which is written a replaced by the original function here. Okay, which is replaced and which is replaced the original function here. Okay, this the simple decorator here, this simple decorator, the simple decorator, it will act place decorator, see here, like high function to I function. We to apply this decorator to this I function. So like this we can use these decorators. Okay. So got it right. So what is decorator and how it works and everything. So decorator is also one function, by it function by wrapping it with with additional code and that runs before and after original function executes. Okay, and this wrapper function inside the decorator, which is written and replace the original function. Okay, which is written and replace the original function. So like that we can use this decorator. So where we use this decorator means, so we can use like this like in backend we can use like authentication. Okay, so authentication and authorization, so login, mostly we use decorators in there only. Okay, so got it right. So like what is decorator and where we use this decorator, and we've seen like code also, right? So do you have any doubts in this decorator? Let me know if you have any doubts. I will clarify you. Yeah. So args and k-args. So these are the arguments. Okay. So in this function, if you don't so if you don't know how many arguments that will be passed in your function, okay. So if you don't know how many function that will pass in the function, we can add. So using this args, okay. So we can add here. So we can add like args, okay, before the parameter and name in the function definition. Okay, so here just I will show you. Think forward. So I will show you. So for example, I will say, let's say, if the number of arguments is unknown, we don't know. Like, okay, so we can add this args before the parameter name. Okay, like in the function. So for example, I will say, so def, I will say like function. So this is our function, right? So here, so we can add this args here. So we can see, we can take like whatever like args. So instead of args, we can take like whatever we take. So args and so print something here. Here. So like, hey, hello. So this I'm printing here. So here, this I'm like here this, okay, I will add 3. Okay, see, if I add 3 here, so I will call my function. My function name is func, right? So function. So here, if I give this like John, for example. So if I run this, see, okay, wait. So instead of we can take, so yes, I will take, and so when I run this, tuple on, yeah. See here, it's an indentation error. So index error. So tuple index out of range. Okay. So here we give 3 here, right? We give here 3. But in this function calling, so in the function calling, we give only John, so only one parameter. So that's why it's showing an index error. So here, if I give this, so that's why we used like this arg. So that's here we give like 2 more parameters, like we give John and we give like Bunny, okay, and we give like John too, okay. So if I give like this, see, if I give like this, so again like see, if I give here, so, okay. So here like so in this tuple, this I will wrote like this, right? So instead of this arg, so this is a keyword, right? So like we take like kid, okay. So here also we need to pass kid. So some type of add operator. see here, just I will. So def and like my our function name. So I will pass like at like augment like and just I will like kids. Okay. So after this, I will write print statement. So inside the print statement, like the youngest child. Okay. Like we give like this like is okay. So here like kids like we take so we take like one no two. So okay. So here so we need to call our function. So my sorry our function name is function, right? So function. So inside the function we need to pass like our like child names. So here this I will pass like John. Okay. So and like I will pass like uh one like I pass Peter. So these are the child names. Okay. Mm, So see. Yes. Okay. So here we need to see the youngest child is Peter. Got it right? So here, so in like in this args, so if the number of arguments is unknown, we don't know. Like so we don't know. So we can add this before the parameter name here. So we can pass any parameter instead of this kids. We can pass any like we can pass like args and everything. So we can pass here. So like this we can use this arguments, keyword arguments. Okay. Okay. Got it right. And and keyword arguments and this keyword argument also. So here, yes, I'll show you. So like that. Okay. So so in this keyword arguments, you can pass the argument of a function by explicitly naming it parameters. Okay. So like that we can use this keyword arguments here. So, did you understand, or can you repeat again? Can I repeat this again? So, just say. So, see. So, when you call a function in Python, so you can pass an argument either by positional or keyword arguments. Okay. See, keyword arguments, on other hand, are passed explicitly naming the parameter in the function call. So this allows you specific argument in any order. So like this we can use like this we can use. Okay, so like this we can use this k args. Okay, so like something you might want to like something you want to function to accept a variable number of keyword arguments. So this is where this arguments comes in. Okay, so like this arguments in a function defines allow you to handle named arguments, and that you didn't explicitly by define in advanced level. Okay, so like when we use this keyword arguments, like it is in a readability and flexibility. So like that, we can use this. So are you clear about this keyword arguments? So that is k args and k rags, arguments and keyword arguments. If you let me know if you have any, to haven't any like if you have any doubts, let me know. Just I will clarify this argument. Otherwise, we will move to like data classes in Python. So that are also same as decorators. So guys, can we move to next topic, that is the data classes. Okay, so starting these data classes. So 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 data class is also decorator, and that automatically generates some special methods. Like we have like init method and represent method, and we have like equality method, like that is not eq method. Okay, for user defined classes, these methods are okay. So got it right. So like a data class is also a decorator that automatically generates some methods like init method and representation. So like that. So I will write here data classes. So see, in Python, like it introduced in Python 3.7. So before 3. Like 3. Like Python 3.6, like we don't have any data classes. Okay. So after the Python 3.7 version, we like introduced in Python 3.7. So like so it will add in 3.7 after 3.6. Okay. So here, like, so it's introduced in Python 3.7, and so it is decorated that automatically, magically generates some methods, some special methods. Okay. Methods. Like we have like init method, right? Init method, and we have like an presentation. Okay, and we have like so these are the methods. So these are the special methods we have in data classes. So using data classes, like we reduce the boilerplate of code for initializing class instances. Like it will reduce and reuse the code for initializing class instances. Okay, got it right. And also they provide a clean and the way to create class that primarily store some data which we provide in the classes. Okay, in the code. So like so it reduce uh, like boilerplate or reuse, you can say, code for initializing class instances. Okay, and like they provide clean and the consequence way to create a class that primarily stores some data in the code. Okay, so like we need to like import data class. So we need to open our terminal. So writing a data class, first we need to import like we need to install data classes using pip install. So we will discuss further how to pip install. So as of now, I just am installing pip, pip. Okay, pip install. So in Python, whatever module like whatever we want, we need to open our terminal and we need to pip install our module name. So what we want, pip install like whatever, like we want like WebDriver IO. So like that we want like fast API. Okay, so like that we want like some other, like some we want like data classes. So we need to pip install data classes. Okay, so like that we need to import, like we need to install or import data classes. Okay, see here, if I run this, so I have already like pip install data classes, so it's showing like requirement already satisfied data classes. So if you didn't have any data, so it will show like collecting and downloading, so like that it will show like that. So like that, open our terminal and new terminal. So here pip install. So like that we can write, we can import our model. So like that. So here from data class, import data class. Okay, so like this we can import data classes from data, from data classes import data class. So like that. So here, just I'm writing here. So like data class. So data class, and after that I'm creating one class here. So class, and class name, just I'm creating dot, just I will create like car. Okay, so it's a now. So car have like which year this like which year make the car and model and a year. So like that we have, right? So every see, so like making year and so make. Okay, so colon. So make so it is in a string, right? We need to write string. So these are typings. So we will discuss next class typings, and so like that. So we have a separate session for that. So as of now, just listen. So these are typings. Okay. So make means it's like which brand, like it's like we have like Toyota, and we have like a BMW. So like that we have like Tesla. So these are brands, right? So make means make means like it's in a string type of data, right? So we will give string here. So these are typing. So after that, so model, we have car model, right? So model, yeah. So model we have. So model also like, so in like for example in, like in, for example in BMW we have some model, right? So that one also one string type of data. So we need to pass string here. Okay, and year. So year is an like integer, right? It's a number, right? So here just we will write here. So it's an int. So it's a number. So we need to write in integer. So here, so this I am calling this our class. Right. So, oh, sorry, this I'm taking car. And I'm passing car here. Okay. So here, just make equal to. This I will give one brand, like I will give Toyota, like that. So, and model. So I will give like what, like we have like Corel now. So like that, and we have making here also. Here. So we will give like 2024. Okay. So when I print this car, so when I print car, see, uh, so it will see here. See, so it will show like car, make, Toyota, and model, Corolla, and year. So like this. So in this data class, so it automatic take init method. Okay, so it will take like in representation method. So we didn't give any here init like special method, right? So it will take automatically when we create so when we create this decorator to data class. So it will take. We didn't initialize any special methods here. So it will take automatically like it will automatically generate the init method for initializing these attributes. Okay, and like we have like this init and representation and equal, right? Representation and equality method. Okay, so this is also like it will take automatically generate a string. So representation generates like a string type of data for debugging purpose. So it will generate string type of data. So we have like string, right? So like that we can take. So this equal like this equality method, so it will also automatically generate. So it will generate equality method to compare data class instances. Okay, so compare data class instances. So like this, we can use these without any writing init method like special methods in this code. So it will take like it will generate automatically. Okay, so this will take a default parameters, so default methods. Okay, so like this it will take. So here we need to like here we need to create one data class here. So I will show you. So just I will remove this, and this I will okay, I will remove this. So so we are using like special methods, like we have like init method and representation method, and we have like explicit like equality method, right? So we are using like we are initializing like some methods here, some special methods. So we need to import from like data classes from data classes. Okay, so after this, so wait a minute, got a call. Okay. Sorry guys. So here first we need to like from data class import data class. Okay. So after that we need to add like some decorator, right? So like at the rate. So after that we need to create one class here. So this I will keep same car and everything. So like make okay, like string this I'm taking and model zero string and here. So change. So here I'm using like here I'm create so here I'm creating one init method here. So init, you know right how to create init method. So init like I'm passing self keyword, self augment, self. We have like we have like these attributes, right? So these are the attributes. So we have like make, okay, like string, and we have like model. This is also string type data, string type. So these are the typings we have, and here, so it's an init, right? So it's an integer. So like self dot make is equal to make. So like this, we can use self dot model model. So this is a special method. Okay, okay, got it right. So here, just I will create one more function here. So just like these are information, right? So just I will give like info for this or display okay, info. So just I'm passing self. So it will reference this class. If we pass self here, so it will reference to this class only. So here, so I will return these. So these attributes here. So here, this I will pass like C. So return. So return. So I will write in this like string format. So we can use we can add like, so we have like, so we can use like in Python we have like string format we have used like f. So like this we can use. So while returning the some attributes or some parameters here, so we can use this type of string format. So we can use like this string format. So inside this string inside after this string format we need to like write like use curly braces. Inside the curly braces we need to write, we need to pass this, like we have like self dot year, right? So it's an a self dot year. Okay, and we have self dot make. Okay, and we have self dot model. So we'll put, so it will return, so this function returns, so this these attributes like modal and like modal, make and year. Okay, so it will return this function. So using this string method, so we're using like f. So inside, after this f function, it will like we will pass like self dot year and self dot make and everything. Okay, so when we like pass like integer type of data, so we need to like write in string format only. So these are, so this is in a string format. Okay, so this is in a string format. So we need to pass like this. So here we need to create instance for this class. So just I'm using like my class name is car, right? So my car. Okay, so here same, like make same stuff Toyota. So I will give, and like we have model, right? Model. So I will give like, so after that year, right? We have year. So this I will give 2024. Okay. So here we need to print, right? Print. So it will display the this. So this car information. Okay. So this car information. So print like my car. Sorry, print my car dot. So here, so we have like this function, right? So uh, this underscore info. So like this. See. So Toyota, like 2024 Toyota Corolla. So like this, we can use data classes. Okay. So here in this custom init method, this init method, like like the car class has a custom init method. So we did write here. So so this method to explicitly set the values like make, model, and year, right? So these are the parameters as a default. So these are the parameters. Okay, and so here we create like instance for this class, like instance for this our car, like my car, using this init method, custom init method. Okay, so where you can specify like this make, model, and year. So it will take like creating using custom init method. Okay, so also we have like one more function, right? So this is like display information. So this info, so this function you can define like additional methods like this info, like it provide functionality to that data classes. Okay, so it will provide this type of data. Okay, so this type of data, like so it will provide this function. So like that you can use, so like this we can use like init method. Okay, So got it. How to use data class and what, how to import data classes and everything. Are you clear about this, right? So when so when don't want to so we need write this init method. So it will take automatically. So it will generate some automatically special methods. Okay, in data classes like init and representation. It's represent the string format. So like that, and equality. So it will compare data classes. So like that. So it will take automatically. We didn't like when we didn't any didn't write here. So it will take like that. So do you have any doubts for these data classes? So this is an attributes. So these are the call also typings. So we will discuss coming like further class. We will discuss in further class. Okay. So like make means string and model means string. So here means init method. Like it's an integer, right? So we will. So these are attributes or typings. So typings. So are you clear, right? So these data classes and decorators. So decorators we can like we will use like in backend authentication and authorization and login, some like that stuff. We can use decorators when we see this type of. So this is also decorator. So when we see this type of at the rate symbol, at the rate and decorator name, so definitely that is a decorator. Okay, so we can use like we will use like fast API and RESTful API. So like that we can use decorators. Mostly we can use their own. Okay. So data class is also a decorator. So we using so this same kind of stuff. Okay. And it is introduced in Python 3.7. Before that, we don't have any data classes. Okay, so after 3.7, we have only data classes. We have like so using data class, we have some special methods like init, representation, and equality. Okay, so are you clear about this? Like this, right? Data class decorator. Guys, if you have any doubts, let me know. Just I will clarify you. So got it right. So 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 this is today's topic. So we will discuss more topics on tomorrow. So that's it. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a nice day.